Hi guys, it's Holly here again with another recipe. This time it's going to be more of a side dish. If you guys are like me, you're like, oh, I want a hamburger, or I want steak or chicken. You kind of know what you want for that main protein, but maybe the side dishes are a problem. So a go-to for me is always green beans. I love green beans. So one of the staples that I like to keep around our house is just so this green bean I got at Costco. This is a fresh bag of green beans, but one that I always make sure I have is this giant bag of frozen Kirkland green beans that I get at Costco. You can measure them out for however many you want. It's just a giant bag of green beans. So what I do with those is, depending on how much time I have, I either put them in a microwave safe bowl and heat them up that way and just have them with a little bit of salt and pepper. Or if I have a little bit of time and I'm making them for my family, I will take them, put them in a saute pan with a frying pan with a little bit of avocado oil or coconut oil, whichever you would prefer. I don't typically do olive oil with a lot of things just because the burning point on olive oil is a lot lower than coconut oil or avocado oil, so you can get the pan a lot hotter with these two without burning anything. Heat the oil up, add your green beans, saute them to the finish of your liking. I like mine a little bit crunchy, but still chewable, not burned, of course. And then I add a little bit of sea salt, a little bit of everything bagel seasoning. If you guys don't have this in your house, you need it. Adds so much flavor to everything. And if you like a little bit of spice like I do, bring on the sriracha. This is an awesome way to add a little bit of flavor, a little bit of heat, not a lot of calories to your side dishes. So these green beans, if you guys are at Costco, any grocery store, grab a giant bag of frozen green beans and your side dishes for the week are covered.